Learning objectives. 1. Understanding the importance of good manners. 2. Benefits of good manners. Water and soap will make you sweet. Brush and comb will keep you neat. But thank you, please, and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. With clothes that have no spot or rent, with shoes that time be not content. But polish up your manners too, make courtesy a part of you. Florence A. Richardson. Find meaning. The, you, rent, a tear in a cloth. Manners, the way you do something. Creep, happy. Courtesy, polite behavior. Content, happy or satisfied. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. What is the name of the poet? Name of the poet is Florence A. Richardson. B. What are the magical words? Magical words are thank you, please, and pardon me. C. Why is courtesy important? Courtesy is important because it reflects your manners. Find their meanings. A. Neat, clean. B. Pardon, apologize. C. Polish, bright. D. Shine, glow. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. But thank you, please, and pardon me will make a sweeter child of thee. B. But polish up your manners too. Make courtesy a part of you. Tick the right options. A. What do you use to wash your hands? Water, soap. Both A and B. Both A and B. B. What do you say when you make a mistake? Thank you, please, sorry. Sorry. C. How should we wear our clothes? Unironed, tidy, untidy. Tidy. Match the following. A. Raise your hand before talking. B. Pray to God. C. Share toys. D. Be a good listener. Let's enjoy the poem. Draw and name 3 objects that you and your friends share with each other. Communication. Writing skills. A. Circle the adjective and underline the nouns it describes. 1. Danny caught the red ball. Ball is noun. Red is adjective. 2. The dog found a large stick. Stick is a noun and large is adjective. 3. My mom is a pretty lady. Lady is a noun. Pretty is adjective. 4. The little tree is easy to climb. Tree is noun. Little is adjective. 5. Lisa likes rides in fast car. Cars is noun. Fast is adjective. B. Write a sentence describing a person and circle the adjectives. C. Write a sentence describing a thing and circle the adjectives. Reading skills. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite.